They ain't fuck with me, these niggas snoring. I be up at 3 in the morning, grab for something that you ain't seeing nothing. This money coming, just look at how I'm thumbing.
Yeah, so we getting 5-inch tips, man. Y'all hear it now. Hey, don't take off your resonators, don't take off your mid mufflers, don't take off none of that, bro. Y'all come tap in, man. Arvalo Muffler Shop. Y'all tap in, man. This was a quick little demo. My boy gave me a good price, you know what I'm saying, for the tip. So this how we going with the install, man. Yes, sir, big cat. Oh, y'all see, y'all ain't see the gas tank too. I did the gas tank, so yeah. Yeah. Hey, this is my baby right here. The Scat my baby, but this is my baby. Like, I'm gonna start doing less videos with my face in the camera too. I'm gonna start doing more for y'all to just see the cars and shit, cause I know y'all tired of seeing my face all the time. So the cat is getting 5-inch black tips. We got a whole new theme wrap coming for the car, man. Y'all get ready. Yeah. So I wanted to do the resonator delete and the muffler delete, but I just got a JXB performance upgrade, carrier lifting, carrier lift. Well, I guess you can say carrier bearing, however you want. It's like a harness, but it's to hold my drive shaft centered. So yeah, ooh, shit. But yeah, so y'all seen that. Watch out, Chad. So yeah, motherfucker. Pretty much what we doing is we gonna do small shit to the car. I'm not gonna do the resonator and shit because the whine is louder with the B Woody, with the resonator and the mid muffler. I was gonna do a mid muffler delete, but my car already loud as hell. I ain't gonna lie. If you want your car louder than this, you sick. Getting my boy up. So we're going with the 5-inch tip. You know, I was gonna go silver, but my car, I got black, so I'm just gonna go ahead and, you know what I'm saying, I'm tired of, you know, y'all can see we gonna get a new exhaust ran soon because I don't like it's getting a little rusty now in the back, but you know, definitely took care of me. That's Chemical Guys, so y'all see how clean the tires look. That's Chemical Guys. Chemical Guys, really my whole car, Chemical Guys. Hey, I got a detailed video coming for y'all. I'm gonna put it at the end of this video. I have a collab video. I have to do a partnership video. It's pretty much like a drop for Suma detailing, and pretty much I got a ceramic coat sponsor, and I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what the ceramic coat does, how long it lasts, give y'all the pros and cons of it. So y'all stay tuned to the end of this video so y'all can get the gist of what I'm talking about. Right now we cut off at the back. So yeah, for anybody that ain't got their pipes done yet, this was going on really. You know what I'm saying? That's all they doing. Finna weld some shit real quick, you know. So I'm going Magna Pack, and then we're gonna do a 3-inch pipe where the resonator is. So he just told me a way to get I can delete the resonator and still have really good sound, because I don't want the loud sound, I want the deep sound. Everybody go for loud. I want deep. I want that noise. I don't want the. I don't want that shit. I got that already, if you want to be honest. Yeah, man. Yes, sir. Next day cold start, man, after the 5-inch tips. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Can't even hear me talking. Cat, man, we finna go try out a product. Today we have a sponsor, man, so we finna go ahead, tap in on this video collab, man. Let's see what's to the ceramic spray, man. Suma Detail by Suma Performance. Instructions are easy. Wash and dry your car. Spray Suma directly on car. Wipe to ensure Suma is applied evenly using a microfiber towel or sponge. Simple instructions. Yo, so look, this is what we got going, man. Boom, we got our bottle. It's an 8-ounce bottle. Got our sprayer, you know. And we got a sticker. All right, so I'm gonna tap back in. I'm gonna get this car washed. So yeah, I had already kind of washed my car, so this is just like a rinse back off, I guess you could say. Shout out to Suma Detail, man. We finna get this boy dried up and, you know, do our thing. But this how it look, man, when I add the, you know. So it say just spray it on the car. I'm gonna start with the front, but I'm just giving y'all the gist of it, man. So I already did the front. I'm going to the back right now. So literally, we just spraying it, spray it in. Camera died, but we back, man. So we just literally, I just finished the back. You just spray it, wiping it in, you know. And it's supposed to give it a shine. It's supposed to keep dirt. The main purpose of a ceramic coat, wax, anything you use ceramic, is to keep dust, anything that can harm your paint. It's supposed to keep it from settling in, you know what I'm saying? So I've had one with the Scat Pack through Spot 58. They did me one, you know, they sponsored the YouTube too. Shout out to Spot 58. And any companies that want to send me stuff like this, I'm down. I will do a free video, no problem. But so right now I'm gonna get this whole car done and I'm gonna do a drive off so y'all can see how it looks. But it's really simple. You just so I'm gonna give y'all the pros and cons to a ceramic coat. All right, first of all, like I said earlier, it's mainly to make sure that your dirt and all that stuff don't settle on your car. It's a protection, you know what I'm saying? So sometimes it can be like sun protection, sometimes it can just be from dirt, you know what I'm saying? Anything that can harm your paint, that is what the ceramic, and then it gives a glossy shine to it, so that's why it's so shiny. You see how shiny it is? That's why it's so shiny. Look at that. That's a ceramic coat from Suma Detail, man. Y'all tap in, link will be in the description. The Instagram will be in the description. In a week or two, I'll be able to plug this product in my shop on YouTube, and y'all will be able to buy directly from my shop with a code. So yeah, with that being said, man, for the most part, it looks good. It looks really good, you know. We have no, you know, it's shiny. We got no problems. It's shiny. I haven't done the wheels and stuff yet. This is more of a product video, so I didn't focus on the small things. I focused on the big aspect, which was the detail. Man, shout out to Suma Detail, man. Y'all make sure y'all tap in. I would choose Suma over anyone. And just because you see the outcome. Look how shiny it is. Look at that. New sticker. So we got our JXB and we got our Suma. Any sponsors, I'm putting your stickers on my car. So let me know.
I blow on my line. No, you ain't got you no money. Money conversate on my line. I'm deadly with mines. Reach with my Smith and this Wesson. Gon' leave your ass box like some fries. And this fuck the judge. If I go shoot be a nigga, they gon' give a nigga some time. Fuck the death penalty. Bitches be fucking and sucking and still turn around and belittle me. Bitch, you can't chill with me. Don't even chill with the gang. But still fuck around, they go drill for me. I'm speaking